guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? So I know there's no some videos through your way. I know for the fact that we haven't put a lot of videos in a month's time now. But having said, the reason why that we haven't were able to put a lot of videos is because I was pretty much stuck in my work. YouTube is not my only job or any sort of a career that I'm doing. I'm only putting YouTube videos to make sure that I have memories whenever I want. I go and look at it. But next trip is coming up very shortly. So I did go to a little bit of Uttar Karnataka last weekend, but I drove alone for about 1,000 odd kilometers. But I was not in a mood to record or do any stuff there. So that was the thing. So a trip update, guys. So I'm heading towards a place. Let me keep it secret. Find out. So we'll be able to see it in the coming weeks. So the plan is to go in first week of November or early second week of November. So it's a beautiful place, and again it's a private access, so not everyone is allowed inside that. So I'm gonna make sure that I shoot those amazing 3 beautiful days, and we're gonna have some really good fun. And also on top of that, Superbikes Bangalore sent me this a hoodie. Not a free or a sponsored one, but I had to pay for it. But it is very limited and pretty cool as well. So when we ride Superbikes in public, right? So I really love the hoodie, and it really gives a lot of attention as well. I love the color, design, everything. So Dilip, who owns the Superbikes Bangalore page on Instagram, if you feel his content is great, please do go ahead and follow them as well. So there's a small community in Bangalore that we have, and every biker is connected, especially super sport bikes are connected in this segment. And he has sent me a hoodie, so I will just go ahead and unbox it for you. So let's see how it looks. So guys, here is the box. So the branding says Superbikes in Bangalore. So let me zoom in that for you guys. Superbikes in Bangalore. And then here it says Rakshit. That's for me, and that's my size L, large. So let me go ahead and unbox this thing. So this is the box. So I didn't find anything to open it up, so I got my Activa keys. So here is the surprise, guys. So yeah. So this is the jacket. This is the jacket, and it says VR46, and it also has sun and moon. Sun on the right hand side, moon on the left hand side when you wear. And it says Superbikes in Bangalore. Put the fun between your legs, and the quality is actually pretty good. It's actually worth. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this and roam around inside city when I'm wearing. So that's the plan. So I hope you like the jacket, and even I liked it personally, so I just got it from them. So it's a pretty decent bug. So please do watch out his page, Superbikes in Bangalore. If you guys are interested, just ping him. He'll be able to send it across India, wherever it is. Next trip update is coming very soon. So stay tuned to channel. Please consider subscribing. I've seen a pretty good response, about 432 I think. For a YouTube scale it is less, but I think my subscribers are more engaging, even though it is about 500 people. Everyone watches the video, which is really amazing. And kindly support, and see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. We will meet you in the next drive. I'm super excited, and this place is very exotic. If you want to know that, please turn on your bell notifications, whatever the red, white, all colors, please just tick it off, so you'll be able to see it. So I'll see you in another vlog coming weeks. Until then, take care. And the Dasara days are starting, so happy Dasara to you people as well. I'll see you later, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you.